Hey there folks, Dr. Josh Axe here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for men's prostate health. Have you been experiencing any discomfort or changes in your bathroom habits? Maybe you're waking up multiple times a night to use the restroom. These could be signs of prostate issues. Now you might be thinking, isn't that an older man's problem? Well, the truth is, prostate health is important for men of all ages. In fact, studies show that 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime. That's why we're here today to discuss a natural way to support your prostate health: papaya seeds. You heard that right? Now, before you wrinkle your nose at the thought of eating papaya seeds, let me assure you, we'll discuss how to make them palatable. But first, let's talk about why we're even focusing on these tiny powerhouses. Papaya seeds have been traditionally used for their various health benefits, particularly in supporting men's health. They contain unique compounds that have shown promising results in scientific studies, specifically regarding prostate health. We'll delve deeper into the science behind these claims in just a bit. For now, just know that incorporating papaya seeds into your diet might be a simple yet effective step towards a healthier prostate. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of prostate health and how papaya seeds can play a beneficial role in your overall well-being. Remember, taking charge of your health is a journey, and small changes can make a world of difference. Let's get started. All right, men, let's talk about the prostate. It's a small gland about the size of a walnut located just below the bladder. Now, this little gland can sometimes cause big problems. We're talking about issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, prostatitis, and even prostate cancer. These conditions can significantly impact your quality of life, leading to discomfort and even serious health complications. But here's the good news. Understanding these conditions is the first step towards prevention and treatment. We'll break down each of these prostate issues, discuss their prevalence, and most importantly, explore how papaya seeds might offer some relief. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you to take control of your prostate health. Let's start with the most common prostate issue affecting men over 50, benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This condition involves the enlargement of the prostate gland, which can press on the urethra and cause those pesky urinary symptoms. Think frequent urination, especially at night, weak urine flow, and difficulty starting or stopping urination. These symptoms can be frustrating and disruptive to your daily life, and the statistics are staggering. BPH affects nearly 50% of men by age 60, and that number jumps to 90% by age 85. It's important to note that BPH is not cancerous, but it's crucial to address those symptoms and get a proper diagnosis from your doctor. Remember, early detection and management are key to maintaining a good quality of life. Now let's move on to prostatitis, a condition that involves inflammation of the prostate gland. This can be caused by a bacterial infection, but in many cases, the exact cause remains unknown. Prostatitis can affect men of all ages, but it's most common in men under 50. Symptoms can include pain or burning during urination, pain in the lower back, groin, or abdomen, and flu-like symptoms. Prostatitis can be acute, meaning it comes on suddenly, or chronic, meaning it lasts for an extended period. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They can determine the underlying cause and recommend the appropriate treatment. Now, onto a more serious prostate condition, prostate cancer. It's the second most common cancer in men worldwide, with over 1.4 million new cases diagnosed each year. While those statistics might seem alarming, the good news is that prostate cancer is often slow-growing, and early detection greatly increases the chances of successful treatment. Risk factors for prostate cancer include age, the risk increases significantly after age 50, family history of the disease, and certain ethnicities, such as African American men who have a higher risk of developing more aggressive forms of prostate cancer. It's crucial to have regular prostate checkups with your doctor, especially if you have any risk factors. Early diagnosis and treatment are paramount in combating this disease. Remember, men, early detection is crucial for all prostate issues. Don't ignore any unusual symptoms or discomfort. Talk to your doctor about your prostate health, especially if you have any family history of prostate problems or are over the age of 40. Regular checkups and screenings can make a world of difference. Now let's dive into how papaya seeds can play a role in supporting your prostate health. We'll explore the science behind their potential benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Stay tuned! We've talked about the prostate and the issues that can arise, but now let's shift gears and talk about a potential natural ally in supporting prostate health: papaya seeds. You heard that right? Those little black seeds you usually scoop out and discard? They're actually nutritional powerhouses with a lot to offer. For centuries, papaya seeds have been used in traditional medicine systems around the world for various health benefits. And modern science is starting to back up some of these traditional uses, especially when it comes to men's health. We're talking about potential benefits for BPH, prostatitis, and even prostate cancer. Now, it's important to remember that papaya seeds are not a magic cure-all. They're not a replacement for conventional medical treatment, but they can be a valuable addition to a holistic approach to prostate health. So, what exactly makes papaya seeds so special? Well, they're packed with a unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds that work synergistically to support overall health and, more specifically, prostate health. We're talking about powerful enzymes like papain, antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, and essential minerals like zinc. These compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Now, let's break down some of these key players and see how they might benefit your prostate. Remember, understanding the science behind these natural remedies can help you make informed decisions about your health. And as always, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating any new supplements or making significant dietary changes. One of the most notable compounds found in papaya seeds is papain, a powerful proteolytic enzyme. Now, enzymes are like the body's little helpers, facilitating various biochemical reactions. And papain in particular is known for its ability to break down proteins. This protein-digesting prowess of papain isn't just helpful for digestion, it also plays a role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. See, inflammation is a natural immune response, but chronic low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to health, contributing to various chronic diseases, including prostate problems. By helping to reduce inflammation, papain might indirectly support prostate health. And that's not all. Papain has also been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, particularly in test tube and animal studies. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Papaya seeds are chock full of these free radical scavengers, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C. But what are free radicals, and why do we need to fight them? Well, free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to oxidative stress. Think of it like rust forming on your car. That's oxidative stress in action. And just like rust can wreak havoc on your car, oxidative stress can damage your cells and contribute to various health problems, including prostate issues. Antioxidants, like those found in papaya seeds, neutralize these harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. It's like having a team of tiny superheroes fighting off those villainous free radicals. Moving on to minerals, papaya seeds are a good source of zinc, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in men's health. Zinc is crucial for prostate health, hormone production, and immune function. In fact, the prostate gland has a higher concentration of zinc than any other organ in the body. Studies have shown that men with prostate problems tend to have lower levels of zinc in their prostate tissue. While more research is needed to understand the exact connection, maintaining adequate zinc levels through diet or supplementation might be beneficial for prostate health, and that's where papaya seeds come in. Adding these zinc-rich seeds to your diet could be a simple way to boost your intake of this essential mineral. Now, let's talk about isothiocyanates, a group of sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and, you guessed it, papaya seeds. These compounds are known for their potent anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that isothiocyanates can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells, and even reduce the risk of cancer development. While more research is needed to determine the specific effects of papaya seed isothiocyanates on prostate cancer, the evidence so far is promising. These compounds add another layer of potential benefits to papaya seeds, making them a valuable addition to a holistic approach to prostate health. Remember how we talked about inflammation and its potential role in prostate problems? Well, papaya seeds contain various compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, including papain, flavonoids, and carotenoids. These compounds work together to dampen the inflammatory response, potentially reducing the risk and severity of prostate issues. Now, it's important to note that inflammation is a complex process, and more research is needed to fully understand the role of papaya seeds in modulating inflammation in the prostate gland. However, the existing evidence, combined with centuries of traditional use, suggests that papaya seeds might offer valuable support in maintaining a healthy inflammatory response. So far, we've discussed the general health benefits of papaya seeds, but let's dive deeper into how these tiny seeds might specifically benefit different prostate conditions. Starting with BPH, the most common prostate issue affecting older men. While research on papaya seeds and BPH is limited, some studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory and hormone-balancing properties of these seeds might help alleviate BPH symptoms. For instance, the zinc in papaya seeds is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels, which might play a role in managing BPH. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of papain and other compounds in papaya seeds might help reduce prostate enlargement and inflammation, potentially improving urinary flow. Moving on to prostatitis, the inflammation of the prostate gland, papaya seeds might offer relief due to their potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Remember papain, the powerful enzyme we talked about earlier? Well, papain has been shown to exhibit antimicrobial activity against various bacteria, including some that can cause prostatitis. Additionally, the antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory compounds in papaya seeds might help reduce inflammation and pain associated with prostatitis. While more research is needed to confirm these benefits, incorporating papaya seeds into your diet might be a worthwhile natural approach to supporting prostatitis management alongside conventional treatment. Now let's address the elephant in the room, prostate cancer. While papaya seeds are not a cure for cancer, some promising research suggests they might play a role in prostate cancer prevention and treatment. The isothiocyanates in papaya seeds, particularly benzyl isothiocyanate, have shown potent anti-cancer effects in laboratory and animal studies. These compounds have been found to inhibit the growth and spread of prostate cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, leading to cancer cell death. Additionally, the antioxidants in papaya seeds might protect against DNA damage, which can contribute to cancer development. While human studies are needed to confirm these findings, the preliminary research is encouraging. Before you rush out to stock up on papaya seeds, it's crucial to remember that they're not a miracle cure for any prostate issue. They should not be considered a replacement for conventional medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating papaya seeds into your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have underlying health conditions. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any existing medications or treatments. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management is crucial for overall health and prostate well-being. Papaya seeds can be a valuable addition to your health regimen, but they're most effective when combined with a holistic approach to prostate health. We've covered a lot of ground, folks, but now let's focus on how to recognize the signs and symptoms of common prostate problems. Let's start with BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia. Remember, this is the one where your prostate gets bigger as you age, which can put pressure on your urethra. This pressure can lead to a bunch of uncomfortable urinary symptoms. We're talking about things like a weak or interrupted urine flow, feeling like you haven't fully emptied your bladder, and that constant urge to go, even if just a little dribbles out. And if you're finding yourself getting up multiple times a night to use the restroom, that's called nocturia, and it's another common sign of BPH. These symptoms can really mess with your sleep and overall quality of life. Nocturia, that frequent need to pee at night, can be one of the most bothersome symptoms of BPH. It disrupts your sleep, leaving you feeling tired and groggy the next day. It can also put a strain on your relationships if you're constantly waking up your partner. Now, occasional nighttime bathroom trips are normal, but if you're finding yourself getting up more than once or twice a night, it's time to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if BPH is the culprit and discuss treatment options to help you get a good night's sleep. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. So, don't hesitate to address this issue. Now let's shift gears to prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate gland. Unlike BPH, prostatitis can affect men of all ages, and it can manifest in different ways. There are 4 main types of prostatitis: acute bacterial prostatitis, chronic bacterial prostatitis, chronic prostatitis, chronic pelvic pain syndrome, and asymptomatic inflammatory prostatitis. Each type has its own set of symptoms and causes. Acute bacterial prostatitis comes on suddenly and is usually caused by a bacterial infection. You might experience fever, chills, pain during urination, and lower back pain. Chronic bacterial prostatitis is a lingering infection that causes recurrent urinary tract infections. Chronic prostatitis and chronic pelvic pain syndrome is the most common type, but the cause is often unknown. Now, let's discuss the big C, prostate cancer. In its early stages, prostate cancer often doesn't cause any noticeable symptoms. That's why regular screenings are so important, especially if you have risk factors like age or family history. As prostate cancer progresses, it can cause symptoms similar to BPH, such as frequent urination, weak urine flow, and difficulty starting or stopping urination. But in addition to those urinary symptoms, prostate cancer can also cause blood in the urine or semen, pain during ejaculation, and bone pain, especially in the back, hips, or pelvis. If you experience any of these symptoms, especially if you're at increased risk for prostate cancer, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor immediately. We've touched on this earlier, but let's delve a bit deeper into the risk factors for prostate problems. Age is a major one, as the risk of developing prostate issues, including BPH, prostatitis, and prostate cancer, increases as men get older. Family history also plays a role. If your father or brother has had prostate problems, you're at a higher risk. Certain ethnicities, like African American men, are also more likely to develop prostate cancer, and often at a younger age. Lifestyle factors can also contribute. Diets high in red meat and processed foods and low in fruits and vegetables have been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. When it comes to prostate health, early detection is paramount. The sooner you catch a problem, the better the chances of successful treatment and a positive outcome. We can't stress this enough. Don't ignore any unusual symptoms or discomfort. Talk to your doctor about your prostate health, especially if you have any risk factors or are over the age of 40. Regular checkups and screenings can literally save your life. Remember, knowledge is power, and taking charge of your health is the best thing you can do for yourself and your loved ones. If you're experiencing symptoms or have concerns about your prostate health, your doctor will likely start by asking you about your medical history and performing a physical exam. This will include a digital rectal exam, DRE, where the doctor inserts a gloved, lubricated finger into your rectum to feel your prostate for any abnormalities. It might sound a bit uncomfortable, but it's a quick and relatively painless procedure. In addition to the DRE, your doctor might recommend a blood test to measure your prostate-specific antigen, PSA levels. Let's talk a bit more about the digital rectal exam, or DRE, since it's a crucial part of prostate health screenings. I know it might not be the most pleasant topic, but understanding the procedure can help alleviate any anxieties you might have. During the DRE, your doctor will have you either bend over a table or lie on your side with your knees pulled up towards your chest. They'll then gently insert a gloved, lubricated finger into your rectum to feel your prostate. The whole process only takes a few minutes, and it's usually not painful, though you might feel some pressure or discomfort. The DRE allows your doctor to check the size and shape of your prostate and feel for any lumps, nodules, or other abnormalities. In addition to the DRE, your doctor might recommend a prostate-specific antigen, PSA test. PSA is a protein produced by the prostate gland, and elevated levels in the blood can sometimes indicate prostate cancer. However, it's important to note that PSA levels can also be elevated due to other factors like BPH, prostatitis, or even recent ejaculation. So a high PSA level doesn't necessarily mean you have prostate cancer. Your doctor will consider your PSA level along with your age, race, family history, and the findings of the DRE to determine if further testing is necessary. If your PSA level is elevated, your doctor might recommend a biopsy to examine prostate tissue for cancer cells. Alright gentlemen, we've talked about the potential benefits of papaya seeds for prostate health. Now let's get practical and discuss how to incorporate these tiny nutritional powerhouses into your diet. First things first, you'll need a ripe papaya. You can tell it's ripe when it's got a nice yellow hue and gives slightly to pressure. Once you've got your hands on a perfectly ripe papaya, slice it open lengthwise and scoop out those black seeds. Don't worry, we'll discuss what to do with that delicious papaya flesh later. For now, let's focus on those seeds. You can eat them fresh, straight from the fruit, but many find the taste a bit too peppery and pungent. Don't worry, we've got options. You can dry them for later use or get creative with how you include them in your diet. When it comes to papaya seeds, moderation is key. Start with a small amount, like half to 1 teaspoon daily, and gradually increase the amount as tolerated. It's always best to listen to your body and see how it responds. Some folks might experience mild digestive discomfort like gas or bloating when they first start incorporating papaya seeds, especially in larger amounts. Remember, everyone's different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the potential long-term benefits of papaya seeds. Aim for daily consumption, gradually increasing the amount as your body adjusts. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, how to make papaya seeds more palatable. Remember how we discussed drying them? Once dried, you can grind them into a powder using a coffee grinder or spice mill. This powder can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkled on salads. The flavor is much milder in powder form, making it an excellent option for those who aren't fond of the strong, peppery taste of fresh papaya seeds. Another option is to roast the seeds. Roasting brings out a nutty flavor and makes them crunchier, almost like pumpkin seeds. You can snack on them plain or get creative and use them in trail mixes or granola bars. The possibilities are endless. While papaya seeds are generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects, especially when consuming large amounts. As we discussed earlier, some folks might experience mild digestive issues like gas, bloating, or diarrhea when they first start incorporating papaya seeds. If you experience any discomfort, simply reduce the amount you're consuming or try consuming them with food. In rare cases, papaya seeds can cause allergic reactions. If you have any allergies to papaya or other fruits in the same family like latex, it's best to avoid papaya seeds altogether. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult your doctor before adding any new supplement or food to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. When it comes to papaya seeds, fresher is always better. If you can, get your hands on a ripe papaya and extract the seeds yourself. If you're opting for pre-packaged papaya seeds, choose a reputable brand that sources its products from reliable growers. Look for organic, non-GMO seeds whenever possible. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the freshness and potency of papaya seeds. Store fresh seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Dried papaya seeds or powder should be stored in a cool, dark, and dry place. Remember, like any other food, papaya seeds can go bad, so check for any signs of mold or spoilage before consuming them. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the ins and outs of your prostate to exploring the potential benefits of papaya seeds. Remember, your prostate health is crucial for your overall well-being, and taking a proactive approach can make a world of difference. Incorporating papaya seeds, along with a healthy lifestyle, can be a simple yet powerful step towards supporting your prostate health. Listen to your body, talk to your doctor, and remember, you're never alone on this journey. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in and take care.